Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do Ghost and Skulls on Beast from Beyond. To begin, you'll need to find a fuse box, which can be in one of three locations: water treatment, above bomb stoppers, or in the cargo bay. Hit this box with an explosive to open it, revealing the first skull. Shoot this skull to collect it and start your journey towards the Ghost and Skulls arcade game. For the second skull, gather all players in the cargo bay. Each player must stand on a red X on the ground and defend against incoming zombies. As you hold your positions, a skull will rise in the center of the room. Once it's fully risen, quickly jump through it to collect it. This action will also spawn the powerful Entangler weapon, essential for further steps. After collecting the initial skulls, the Ghost and Skulls arcade machine will become active. Head to the arcade area and interact with the machine to begin the minigame. Inside, you'll be presented with colored cubes and skulls. Your goal is to shoot the colored cubes at the skulls that match their color, aiming to clear the board and achieve a high score. Successfully playing Ghost and Skulls can earn you fantastic in-game rewards, including powerful perks to boost your survival. To excel, concentrate on quickly matching the colored cubes to their corresponding skulls. Practice will improve your speed and strategic thinking. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Keep playing, and you'll master this fun challenge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.